my cucumbers. Direct sowed these 5 days ago. I then covered them up with these little clear 4-inch or 100mm pots. And as you can see inside, they've all germinated to some degree, and each one had 2 or 3. One I accidentally dropped 4 seeds in there. Let's have a look underneath. Big reveal. Look at that. You'll see the seed on there. 1, 2, 3. That must have been the one with 4 in there. Now these are going to be great. I can thin these down. Perhaps I might take these 2 from this side and transplant them to another location and then just trim these back to 1. And it's as simple as that. I did put some fresh compost down and then put the seed in, cover them up just like that, gave them a good water in, and with the rain and the humidity and heat that we've had, these have all done very well at germinating. What do we have under this one? Ooh, there's some good ones. The size of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these are just Lebanese cucumbers. There's nothing special about them, just great for salads. Cover them back up, give them protection from the elements. It's been a little bit windy, but that's how simple it can be. Always get your trellis done first, people. Never ever try to put a trellis in afterwards. Fraught with danger. There we have it. Cucumbers, direct sown, protected from the elements, germinated safely. Like and subscribe. Happy gardening.